can see that it has been printed. Come, take a look. I've also wetted the paper. It's a 400 GSM handmade paper. I made the mark and I put this thing over here straight, as straight as I can be. The paper is not so straight, but it's okay. We can do it in post-production. We cover it in the blanket. So the thing is, it's been almost like 20 hours when we started, actual 20 hours of work, but we still don't know how it's going to come out. Okay. This is the beauty and the excitement of printmaking, because you can do everything right and the print might not be the desirable one. But sometimes you think the print might not come well, but it seems like sometimes at the end the print turns out to be okay. So I do slowly, so that enough pressure gets into the paper. The moment of truth is here. Let's see. Okay. And close. There you go. There you go. This is the final print of our long etching studio. Yeah, it turns out to be okay, I think. Yep, it's fine. That's the beauty of etching. Thank you very much for all the people who stayed with us. This has been a wonderful journey from beginning to the end. Thank you. Signing off, Fawaz Rob from studio.